7 food combinations that offer incredible health benefits. On our channel, we talk a lot about the benefits that foods can bring to our health. But did you know that some food combinations can be extremely beneficial to our bodies? Combining the right foods can increase the nutrient usage by your body. This is what happens with the very famous pineapple and mint juice. Besides being delicious and refreshing, this combo is a great alternative to clean your body and facilitate digestion. Bromelain, found in pineapple, helps detox the liver, and mint is great for the digestive process. When 2 or more ingredients interact during the digestion and facilitate the absorption of all the nutrients, it is called food synergy. This way, our body receives wider and more complete benefits than when foods are ingested separately. And, besides that, they harmonize greatly, from a gastronomic point of view. Do you want to understand how it works? See some ideal food combinations. Beans plus kale plus orange tomato plus avocado or olive oil, papaya plus flaxseed, beans plus rice, carrot plus peas, green tea plus lemon, tomato plus broccoli. Just as there are some positive interactions when we ingest certain nutrient combinations, there are also some pairings that don't help our body to absorb nutrients, as is the case with calcium and iron. So, did you enjoy knowing some food combinations that help your organism absorb nutrients? It is important to have a varied diet and, whenever possible, combine 2 food groups that complement each other in the same meal.